Tripwire design. Tripwire is a conceptual offering. Tripwire is you explain the concepts. Now, so when I am saying why knowledge business, I'm explaining the concepts, right? But the how to part, now I'm telling you in order to build your list, you need an autoresponder. It's a concept. You need landing pages. I'm telling you the solution also, right? But how to create a list, how to use the autoresponder, how to create a landing page, they all become implementation, right? So then my core product will be on implementation. So for a conceptual course, I'm telling what all needs to be done. The how to implementation. So if you are in leadership, you are giving the concept, what it takes to create awesome leaders, right? That okay, the leader should have this traits in them or whatever. Now somebody wants your help to implement that within them, then your implementation becomes your core product. When like we are right now doing implementation, I'm giving you templates, I'm giving you question, that's implementation. That's not concept. Concept I've given you in my free course, 2-hour free course. That's my Tripwire. I used to sell it for 4,999. I've sold that course for 4,999. What you got free. Okay. And that 4 bonuses were not there at that point in time. Whatever you got much more. Okay. Because by now my content has become more crisp, more clear, more insightful, a lot of wisdom in there. Okay. So that is my Tripwire. And my core product is 30-day. My core product used to be 30-day challenge, where I would help you review your mission, vision statement in a group format. So again, this what I'm doing with you is my actually core product, which is being offered to you at this price. Okay. The profit maximizer is for me is personal consulting. Now, if you want me to review all your work, all your vision, values, refine it, your gain pain, your content bank, everything, okay, and then strategize the marketing for you, then all of that comes under my personal consulting. End to end, I will work with you. Okay, personally for you, full time dedicated for you. Otherwise, in a group, only we can take 1 or 2 or 3 examples. I try to do as much as I can. And in fact, I go much more beyond than what I need to do, because it is important that you do things in a right way, because it will become a roadblocker for you, a growth blocker for you, right? So now, so what should your Tripwire contain? The Tripwire is going to contain concepts. It's a conceptual offering. So first video, there should be total, you make it like a 60-minute or a 120-minute, not more than that. 60, 90, 120-minute product. Okay, don't make it less than 60-minute. Okay, Devan should have 3 to 4 videos. Okay, 3 to 4 videos. So the first video will be welcome and context setting. Okay, and you can also it can be just 30. It can be a 1 minute, 2 minute video on welcoming them and telling what is it that they are going to learn in this program. Okay, and you can also build in your ETR here. ETR, not only your name, number of years of experience, your credibility, but your own personal story. It is called an emotionally charged story, ECS, emotionally charged story. Why? Your why, how Maya shared her story, how Shivani shared her story, how who else shared the story? Someone else shared the story. I said it is beautiful. Madhusudanji shared his story, right? So your story, whatever is relevant story with respect to this, there's so much more to cover. I can't tell you. There's so much more to cover. Okay. I have a story writing template. I also have an influence building calendar blueprint. There are many things we need to do. Okay. But this is where you need to begin. Okay. So now you will tell them the overall what, why, and how of your course. Okay. And why they should do this, why they should complete this course, why it is important for them to become self-confident, how is it going to help them, basically the benefits of your program. Okay. Then you also make them do some external research work. Okay. So external research work, where whatever you are suggesting, if you say people are making money using blog, then you go and give them some 5-6 examples of how people have earned money using blogs by directing them to because they should, it is working for many people. For example, if you are in law of attraction thing, then you can take example of The Secret. So, though when you know that this works for other people as well, it is important for people to do a research work, because whatever you are telling them, they need this endorsement that it is working for others also in the market, others who are successful. So make them do some research work, do some motivation or goal setting exercise. This is your day 1 video for your conceptual course. What is your day 2 video? Day two, you will actually give them, day 2 is the heart of your course. Here you will give them real solid content. Okay. Whatever mindset, tools, techniques, strategies you want them to know at this stage, you will share that. Okay. And do it in 3-3 ka format, because my main topic 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then you give them some practical steps to take before the end of the day. Okay. Action taking. Give them some steps to do for them to act upon. Okay. And then day 3, you are going to give them what it takes. Now you have to upsell your next level. Okay. So what now you have explained the concept. Now you have to tell them, okay, this is what it is. Would you like help to, for this to be implemented in your life? So what it takes now, it is like, will learning help them? Knowing is different from doing. So now if you think that you can do it on your own, great. Otherwise, if you need help, then you make actually basically what you are trying to do is you're trying to seed you're telling them what is it they need to do next. So if you look at the details, day 1, you are okay. So there are 3 kinds of resistance you need to break, the road blockers for people signing up for your program, or within the program making them buy your next level. So first is they process some internal challenges, right? Can I do it? Okay. They process some external challenge. I don't know how to use the camera. I don't know. I'm a tech challenge person. I don't know how to use these tools. Okay. And then your product, which is called the vehicle, because when someone has come to you at point A and they want to go to point Z, there is a vehicle. Your solution is the vehicle. So why your vehicle? Okay, why your solution, right? So day 1, you are creating why your vehicle will work for them, which is why your solution will work for them. And that is why you will talk more about your solution here and the benefit they will get. Day 2, you will talk the what of your offering. Day 3, you will talk the how part of your offering. Now, for example, now in my Tripwire, I tell you this is the whole how the knowledge business works. You need digitalization, then you need monetization, then you need marketing, and for that you need these type of tools. You need a LMS, you need an autoresponder, you need landing pages, you need whatever, you need a broadcast system, you need a webinar system, payment gateway setup. This is also, I've told everything what of my program. But now how to do all of this? Now most of the people stop at what only, and that is why people struggle, that I know what to do but I don't know how to do it. So the how to becomes your next level. Make sense? So for that, how to do it, you can say, you can, not everything you can talk of how to here, because you need to make sure you can help with one topic how to, but there are 10 topics how to of everything you cannot cover at this level, at this price, at this point, right? So now, because it is important they come on next level with you, right? So now what are the other videos you can have? You can also see, generally I don't want you to pitch, don't make a sales pitch in this. Your sales pitch should be a separate video. You should create a sales pitch for your next level. And you can also have an extra session. And now, for example, my ETR generally 9 minutes, 10 minutes. So I don't want to include my ETR in the welcome section. So if I tell them, if you want to know more, you can watch my ETR video here. Okay. Know more about me here. And then if you want to show how it has worked for other people, you can include your testimonial videos here. Okay. So this is how you create a high converting conceptual course called Tripwire, which can be priced anywhere from 4,999 to 4,999. Or for some people, even 7,999 works. Okay, but that happens when you have thousands of students. Okay, right? So we have covered how to create your Tripwire as well.